My name is Maddie Osman, and I'm going to give you an introduction into technical SEO. But before we get into that, I think it makes sense to talk a little bit about what technical SEO even is. To me, and everybody has their own opinion, but to me, I see SEO as having kind of like three parts to it. One is the content and all the things that you do to optimize the content for certain keywords. Another part of it is backlinks, trying to get people to link to you, trying to get websites in the same niche to link to you so that you can demonstrate authority. And then the third thing is the technical structure of your website and different things that you can do to kind of make peace with Google and play along with their rules. So in this class, we're going to cover the basics of technical SEO in terms of mobile friendliness, switching to HTTPS, which if you haven't heard of that before, it's probably going to scare you to hear it now, but just know that we're going to go over it and you'll understand soon enough. Menu design, creating user-friendly navigation, and also improving page load time, page speed time. So in the class, I'm going to introduce these concepts in a little bit more detail, but then we'll also get into actionable takeaways for how you can easily fix these problems on your own website, even if you're not a web developer. And just so you know why I'm qualified to teach this class, first of all, I do SEO content writing for brands like Automatic, Sprout Social, GoDaddy, AAA, and many more, which you can see on my website, which is the-blogsmith.com. And also where I come in with the technical SEO angle is I've been developing websites since I was 11 years old, so I know my way around the back end of the average website, especially WordPress websites. And so we're mostly going to focus on WordPress applications, but never fear, if you're not using WordPress, the same principles will still apply to your website. So without further ado, let's get to it.